We have seen the different units used in distance measuring and how to convert from one to another. We will now take a look at how we can calculate distances from one position to another. We now know that 1 minute of arc of latitude is equivalent to 1 nautical mile on the Earth's surface. We will start on the prime meridian. The town of Greenwich is at north 5128 and east-west 00000. We will travel north, thereby remaining on the prime meridian, all the way to the North Pole, at latitude north 9, 000. We have a Ch.Lat of 38 degrees and 32 minutes. By multiplying 38 degrees by 60, we find that 38 degrees is the equivalent of 2,280 minutes. So the 38 degrees is 2,280 nautical miles. The remaining 32 minutes of Ch.Lat equates to 32 nautical miles. Therefore, 38 degrees and 32 minutes of Ch.Lat is equivalent to 2,312 nautical miles. This is the distance from Greenwich to the North Pole, directly north up the prime meridian. This is the principle used in calculating distance from Ch.Lat. The easiest way to calculate Ch.Lat, and hence distance, is to visualize the Earth split vertically along a meridian and anti-meridian. Now we will look at some more complex calculations using this principle.